Good day, young people. This is a quick video review, and I send another one shortly. This is Pythagoras. Remember what Pythagoras' theorem states: the hypotenuse squared, which is the side always opposite the right angle, no matter how I have this turned, is equal to leg one, the sum of the square of the other two sides. So what's your hypotenuse squared, x squared, is equal to 3 centimeters squared plus 4 centimeters squared. Working out the math, I get the square root of 25, so x is going to be 5 centimeters. I only showed you one formula, please. Don't overcomplicate this. Once again, one formula I showed you. Hypotenuse squared is equal to leg 1 squared plus leg 2 squared. See, hypotenuse squared is equal to leg 1 squared plus leg 2 squared. Now, to solve or to transpose for x, I'm going to bring this over here. So this x squared is equal to 5 centimeters all squared minus 3 centimeters all squared. That's equal to 25 minus 9 centimeters equal to 16 centimeters squared. Now, to solve for x, I have to take the square root of both sides. So the square root of 16 is going to be 4 centimeters. Easy, right? Walk in the park. So, all right? Next one. Trigonometry. Remember SOHCAHTOA. Sine is equal to opposite of hypotenuse. Cosine is equal to adjacent of hypotenuse. Tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. Determine the unknown angle. All right? Okay, here we go. We got this. 3 centimeters, we got theta, and we've got 5 centimeters. So the first thing that I always say is do, write down what you have. Theta is equal to, we don't know. The 5 centimeters is equal to what? Hypotenuse is opposite the right angle. The 3 centimeters is equal to the adjacent. It's next to the angle that we're looking at. So I have adjacent and hypotenuse. I'm going to use cosine. So I get cosine theta is equal to 3 over 5. So now to find the angle of theta, I have to take the inverse cosine. And I'm going to get, one second, whatever that number is. I didn't work it out. Let me work it out real fast. Inverse cosine, bracket, 3 divided by 5, close bracket, equals, wasting time here, 53.13 degrees. 53.13. I do humbly apologize. I'm trying to work with everything. Okay, determine the unknown side. So once again, write down what you have. Theta is equal to 36 degrees. This side is called hypotenuse, and x is opposite the angle that we're looking at. So we can use sine. Opposite. So, see, so sine is equal to opposite of hypotenuse, right? So now we get sine of 36 equal to x over 5. We cross multiply. I get x equal to 5 sine 36, putting this in the calculator. And hitting equals, I get 2.94. You must know how to put this into your calculators, people. All right? Let's see. Next one. Here we go. So we got 7 centimeters, 25 degrees in x. Write down what we have. Theta is equal to 25 degrees. This side is called the adjacent, and this is opposite the angle that we're looking at. So we got opposite and adjacent. Oops, I do humbly apologize. Opposite and adjacent. I didn't see when the screen flipped. Opposite and adjacent. So I'm going to use tangent. See, TOA. Tan of 25 is equal to opposite, x, over adjacent, 7. Cross multiplying again, and we get 7 tan 25, and that's equal to 3.26. I'm going to flip over. We're going to look at bearings. Please remember bearings. Number 1, I always measure from the north line. North is 0, 0, 0 degrees. Always measure clockwise, and always written as a 3-digit number. 045 degrees is northeast. All right? Now, determine the bearing of, see, I have this diagram here. And bearings are measured clockwise from the north line, right? So therefore, this is a bearing right here, right? And this is a bearing right here also. Now, the bearing of B from A. From A, I'm going to B. So from A, I'm going 060 degrees. Always written as a 3-digit number. See that? My bad. Now, A from B. A, so B, I'm going to keep going until I hit A. How do I find that? If this is 60, these are called co-interior angles, angles between parallel lines, all right? This is 60. These two angles just add up to 180, so this is 120. Now, if this is 120, this whole thing is 360. So 360 minus 120 is going to give me 240. So the bearing is 240 degrees. Circle theorem, all right? What do we know? Theorem number 1 states that the angle form of the arc is going to be half the angle form of the center. So the angle at the center is going to be 180, so this is going to be 190. And what kind of triangle is this? This is an isosceles, so this is 45, because angles are the same. This is 45, all right, because this is 90. All right. Now, what else do we know? The angle formed at the angle formed between a radius and a tangent is equal to 90 degrees. That's going to be 90 degrees right there. Now, if this is 45 and this is 90, that means this must also be 45. Why? Because angles on a straight line add up to 180. So it's 45 degrees. And I just wrote everything over here. Angle ABC is equal to 90. ABC is equal to 90. BAC is equal to 45. BAC is equal to 45, etc., etc., right? Let's move on. Now, if you have this shape here, all right, hopefully you guys can see this. This is a rectangle and a triangle, right? Now, to find the area of this rectangle, area is equal to length times width, 5 centimeters times 2 centimeters. 5 centimeters times 2 centimeters, that's equal to 10 square centimeters. Now, to find the area of a triangle, it's equal to base. Now, if from here to here is 2, and this whole thing is 6, that means that this must be 4 in here, right? And the height, the perpendicular height is going to be 5 centimeters, right? So the area is going to be 5 centimeters times 4 centimeters divided by 2. 4 times 5 divided by 2 is equal to 10 square centimeters. How do you find the area of the whole shape? Just add the two areas together. That's going to be 10 centimeters squared plus 7 centimeters squared is equal to 20 square centimeters. I may send another one shortly, and tomorrow before the exam, you got to arrange some kind of study hall. Be blessed, be encouraged. Remember, Jesus loves you.